There are many expensive components to a commercial refrigeration unit, including the valves and wiring. Cool Gel protects your work environment and saves you time and money from costly repairs. Spray Cool Gel on the flooring, copper tubing, and wiring near the work area. The gel builds up and protects the surfaces. When you are brazing, the gel begins to evaporate as the flame is applied. When working near wiring, make sure to keep enough Cool Gel on the wires to prevent any damage. When finished, wipe away the gel that you can reach. For areas you cannot reach, you can leave Cool Gel, and it will evaporate in 24 to 48 hours with no remaining residue. For more information about Cool Gel, visit our website at laco.com.